This is a video on how to use a roots finder or x-intercept finder online. And then I'll, at the back side of the video, show you how to use the Polynomial 2 app. So you see where it says roots calculator site. We're going to go to that. And up will come where you're going to put your polynomial in. So the one that I'm going to have is 2x squared. You're going to use the little caret key above the 6 minus 3x minus 2. And choose fractions also. And then you're going to press calculate, and it's going to give you the two roots. So make sure you understand that the factoring, look in the right place here, that they give you is incorrect, and that you listen to my lectures and don't just try to go look up a factoring, because some of them online are incorrect. Many are correct, but you really need to learn how I teach factoring from my videos. So be careful. The internet's great, but there's just a lot of really incorrect stuff out there, because there's a lot of people that think they know what they're talking about and don't have formal training. I do have formal training. So be careful. You know, the internet's like processed food. It tastes great, but it's not a lot of great nutrition in the way of academics. So be careful of online factoring. Usually root finders are completely correct. I find no problem, but a lot of different styles of factoring that is not the factoring that we're going to teach. So on your calculator, let me get my excuse me, overhead going here. You're going to use this app, and so you're going to go to apps, going to go down to 4, standing for Polynomial 2, and then you're going to choose Poly Root Finder. Make sure you have 2 for quadratics, real, and frac chosen. The rest doesn't really matter. Well, I guess it does. Normal, float, degree. We're not going to use trig here, but you have those, and then go to next. And then you're going to put in the coefficients. So 2, -3, -2. They're already in. So 2, -3, -2. You can just overwrite and then solve, and then back and forth there to get the fraction. So you want the fraction form with the way that I teach factoring. So back to coefficients. If you want to do another problem, you're just going to keep going back and forth this way. Mode, and then out to main if you need to switch over. So that's how you use the calculator app to find x-intercepts. There's a way with graphing that you can do it, but it's not nearly as good or fast. So use this if you have a graphing calculator. If you don't have the app on your calculator, I can put it on there.